how to turn off or on storage permission on customer questions on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon shopping and then click the storylines here and then click settings and then permissions. Now just wait here a few seconds and now scroll all the way down until you find storage, and here's storage. Now here we'll find customer questions. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.